Hello everybody, welcome to Good Sector Academy. Today I'm gonna teach you how to fix a common problem in ISSABEL PBX. The problem is when the user try to connect to ISSABEL like using a software like MicroSIP or something else like Zoiper. The user sometimes connects normally, but sometimes it just seems to be offline all time. But Isabel server is always good. This is a common issue. We're gonna fix it right now. The problem is Isabel built-in security. Just log to the dashboard. Come here to security. Fail to ban. If you go inside here, banned IPs, you will see an address IP that Isabel banned it from connect or from making calls or anything because the user maybe tried to access or to try to connect many times in few minutes. The easy solution is to come here and just select the IP address and unban it. The user automatically can connect again. But the best solution, I think, is to disable this Isabel feature. Fail to ban. Stop it and disable it. And sometimes you can't access Isabel using its IP address. You can't access Isabel server. This is because Isabel banned your IP address. So you just change your IP address and you can access it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to stop this feature, fail to ban, and disable it. So when reboot your Isabel server, won't activate again. Okay, so just watch with me. Okay, first you should go to the command line of the ISSABEL PBX server. I'm using a virtual machine. I'm using Proxmox because of that you see in this. Okay, just log into your ISSABEL server, username and your password. Oh, sorry. Okay, we're gonna use this command to stop the fail to ban service. We're gonna stop it and disable it. So when you reboot your Isabel server, it won't activate again. Okay, using this command, system ctl stop fail to ban. Enter. Just wait. It may take some time. Okay, it's good. Now the service is stopped. All is good right now. It won't ban any IP address, but to make it a clear solution, let's disable this service, this feature, fail to ban. The same command, system ctl disable fail to ban. Enter. Okay, all is good right now. Now, just to check the status of this server, of this service, like this, system ctl status failed to ban. Okay, let's read this. To ban fail service disabled. Look at this. This service is disabled. So now the problem is fixed correctly. Even if you reboot your Isabel server, it won't activate again. Right now, all users can access Isabel server without any problem. I hope I helped you with this. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos on VoIP, Isabel, and many tech fields. Thank you.